My name is Matthew Keegan. I'm a master's student in software engineering in the Department of Computer Science. I'm from Flintshire in North Wales originally, and my undergraduate degree was in computer science from Aberystwyth University also. Computing is probably one of the biggest, fastest growing industries out there now. So I thought it was important that I carried on learning in order to get one step ahead for the future. The big difference between undergraduate and masters, postgraduate, is the amount of responsibility you're given. The skills you pick up at undergraduate level with regards to time management and self-discipline are extremely important at postgraduate level. I am part of a scheme funded through the EU, the ESF, which is called Access to Masters. I had to work very, very hard and fill a lot of paperwork in order to meet the criteria, but I was one of 60 successful candidates from the university for this year. This means that the ESF will pay for my accommodation, for my studies, and a small amount towards living as well. Postgraduate life here, especially at Aberystwyth, is far more diverse and multicultural than I ever expected. I live with people from Norway and someone from Istanbul in Turkey, and I've learned all sorts about different cultures, and it's given me a real new appreciation for them as well. It's fairly close-knit and tight community as it is. There's only about 20 of us in my course, so it's very hard not to know someone, and it's that aspect I really like. You don't feel like a number. Everyone knows each other, and everyone supports each other. It's great. Computer science is very fortunate at this university. We have access to 2 computer rooms which are only for computer scientists. We have one that's running a Microsoft environment, Windows, and we have one that's running an Oracle environment, which is called Solaris. So we get access to several different types of computer systems. We also have a digital systems lab here, which is where we'll get hands-on experience of using industry-level software, such as server environments and hardware and various other things, which is something employers really look for and are surprised that so many departments don't offer it, but they're always pleased that we have it. We also have a robotics lab with a very active research group, and we also have other labs available dotted around the campus, all looking into various different types of research. Business has been a really big aspect, especially for me in my life, because I do want to become self-employed, and I want to be sort of the new generation of entrepreneurs in computing, which is very important right now. So making business links while I'm at Aberystwyth is vital really to my career advancement, and fortunately I've got access to a whole range of different types of businesses here. For example, the career service regularly run different sessions, from interview techniques to job fairs to talks, and I find the talks possibly the most useful. I speak with industry leaders from all over the world. For example, we've had Microsoft, HP, Oracle, and then we've had some of the newer companies as well, like such as ThoughtWorks coming here. So I've made a lot of contacts through that. There's also a good business network through the commercialisation and consultancy services, and they're actually helping me and a few friends at the moment in starting our own business. So fingers crossed, the support I get here from Aberystwyth will launch us into a new business.